Currently in Urban Outfitters. Needed a couple shirts. I think I'm gonna try on these two. Yer. Can I try on 2 shirts? Thank you. There you go, man. Thank you. Hi, can I get a Jack burger with French fries and a large strawberry mint lemonade?
Shack burger, $5 strawberry mint. There to go.
To go. Alright, so boom. Just got my French fries. Got my Shack burger. And of course, the strawberry mint lemonade. Yo, y'all dudes is hungry? I bet. You know I gotta feed my dudes. Eat that. Yeah. Want this soup? Man. Eat that. Psych. Man, we've been driving for an hour and a half. I need a stretch. Where are we going right now?
I'm trying to get in this motherfucker.
We're there.
We're there.
Debut. We debut. I think all these workers here are jealous of my camera because they're trying to give me a lot of hassle just to bring this in here. But I finally got it in here.
Huh? No.
And we are finally in the park.
Big ass turtle.
Is that real?
No.
Oh, I thought that was a rock. Oh my God, look, Walter, your family. We're doing front row. I didn't wait all these years to go on King of the Car.
Doing front row.
Come
and
on.
I'll see you in the
all right, listen up. Here's the plan.
Here's the plan.
We're gonna go front row.
I have at least 3 other people behind.
Listen. We're gonna go front row on that, right? And that's the only ride we'll do front row. Every other ride we go on is up to you. You pick the seat.
That'll be the last ride we go on.
Front row and that's it. About to go on King of the Car, but can't bring our cameras and stuff, so I'm gonna put this in the locker real quick and see y'all in the next shot. Alright, so we just got off of King of the Car and first reaction.
Death-defying, that shit's crazy.
Honestly, my first time going.
First reaction, close your mouth.
Oh man, I wish I could have recorded it, but they don't let you bring anything on that ride. Like I even had to take my hat off. Like it's that fast. That's it right there. That shit is crazy. They about to drop. And there you go. We've been walking for like a good 20 minutes, and we was about to end up on the same line as the last ride we just ended up at. If that makes sense. How you doing over there? That's my dream whip right here, yo. He feeling himself already.
Beamer Benz a Bentley, Beamer Benz a Bentley, Beamer Benz a Bentley. My jeans are never empty. Beamer Benz a Bentley, Beamer Benz a Bentley, Beamer Benz a Bentley. Your scheming don't affect me. I'm fresh, I'm fly, I'm so good.
My son's shoe game is shining, glistening out here. I'm so hungry. Wait, what? Were they talking to me? What they said?
We out there. We see you on the camera.
I just caught at the last second.
Finish out.
Second shot, which is one of our that hits off. Third shot, and then here, one over 2. And that's not one, moving on to the second round. Got it. Keep going, baby. Second shot, keep going, baby. And that's the third shot, let's go, John. Money, no, John. One more. Finish out, baby. Go. And moving on to the third and final rack. You got it. Third shot up. Boom. Let's go, Josh. Second shot up. Let's go, Josh. Third shot up. Let's go, Josh. You got yourself 3 points right there on the scoreboard. Thank you very much.
Superman is next. Yo. Alright, so boom, just got off Superman. I know you guys might be upset because obviously I can't record on rides. I ain't trying to lose my camera or my phone, but I'm about to bring y'all real quick on this ride over here. Y'all gonna have a nice view of the whole park, so y'all can thank me later. Oh dang! And we are up in the air. They're waving at us.
Oh, this shit getting high, man.
Just as long as they don't turbo out of nowhere. Actually, this kind of scary.
It is, a little bit.
Call me real, let you know I'll be up. That's the only time you ever free up. I'm not trying to fuck the energy up. She said, baby, please don't get the wrong idea.
My son got the hottest hat in the game. Baddest chick in the game. Alright, so boom. That is a wrap from Six Flags. Had a great time.
Listen, Beverly, we got stamps.
We're coming back next week probably. I don't know. Yeah. I'm gonna go sleep off this headache in the car. And probably go watch this Mayweather McGregor fight. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe. And give this video a what? Give this video a what? Give this video a what? Give this video a thumbs up. Comment your favorite part. Whatever. Feedback is always appreciated. And yeah, thank you for watching. Peace.
Jump in the Pegasus. All kind of